Okay, here's a couple of the steps to create the variable output file from Adobe. So I start with an Excel sheet that has the name, it has the different files that are going to be needed. There would be, all the files would be in one folder. It doesn't matter what their names were, as long as they're next to the name that they need to be on the item. Then I would convert this over to a CSV file. And then I would go into Adobe and I would have a stock location. So it doesn't matter what's there, it's just a locator. And I would go in and I would load the variable file, which is this one right here, which is a CSV file that I'm loading into it. I would hit open and then yes. Now by doing that, immediately I've loaded in the names. They don't all show up on here because this is just the middle part. So everything, all the files are in there though. If I go through them, it shows the files that I need, and it creates different data sets. Then I would batch the file and control the output that I'm using and hit OK. And then it would size the type according to how I want it sized for each page. And then when it's done, oops, oh, I'm sorry. It would create these individual files, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I double click on them, each one of them have their own individual laser inside of a folder with the type size to fit a certain area. Even with this long string of type, it was able to fit inside the area.